The end of the year is a great time for reflection, which is why we are reflecting on the people we met and the stories we told throughout this year. Our photojournalist Kevin Esslinger gathered some of our most notable sights and sounds from 2024.
The banks on Boise arterials are proven to collect more plaque than this flat can keep up with.
We've pushed 2 people out already this morning. Yeah, that worked. I would think that people would want a hot tub on a day like this, wouldn't you think?
He's always here early, 7 days a week.
Every week.
Oh, from the beginning.
Because Rick Harvey loves his work.
Yeah.
By trade, a jeweler.
It's important to have patience.
This is the only place I go.
Now Lou Boyer
I'm really gonna miss him.
needs a new jeweler.
I have no idea.
An Art Smith's loyalist.
A long, long time ago.
Time now for a change.
Al says he once had Bluebird boxes in 6 different Idaho counties, and he would check them all when he was well into his 90s.
I can tell you almost
For
exactly
decades,
how old
time
they are by
and age
giving a little measurement here.
was just about numbers for Al.
That's about 49 millimeters.
But this day,
Today is my birthday, 102.
it's a big number.
I tell people that I finished my first century and I'm working on my second.
Right! Breathe and relax. Let's go!
Not adrenaline.
That's right. What's he gonna do?
Not discipline.
Side step!
Ironically,
Stop fight! Stop fight! You have to walk away at least with that respect.
and respect for whatever this is.
You know, medieval MMA.
Rob came to Eagle High 3 years ago from Texas.
I was just like, oh, this will be fun. And then after doing it for a little while, I was like, hey, we could do this little thing called WGI.
And after competing together for just the 2nd time ever,
I was just hoping that we did as good as I thought.
and you did,
Never competed before, yeah.
and then won the whole thing.
Yeah.
Brian Olmstead's roots in Twin Falls run 4 generations deep. But there were some things about his hometown
We'll follow you.
Okay, yeah, and
even he didn't know about.
well, I'd always heard about these myths of the tunnels my whole life. There's a couple spots here that are kind of head bonkers for me, but just keep your eyes open.
It takes layers to create a piece that tells a story. And much like Bobby Gatan,
I've been painting now for at least 20 years.
this piece,
Well, this is very close to my heart.
at the base of this creation,
I'm a former migrant farm worker, and so for me to represent farmers in a very positive way and in a way that brings, a positive light, it's very important to me.